Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to activate sound on Waze app. So guys, to do this process, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Waze application into your device. Now guys, once you are here, you could just simply select the top left corner of the screen, which is the three lines. Now, here on the menu icon, you could just simply go ahead and go for the settings right over here. Now, here on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and go for the voice and sound. Now, here on the voice and sound, make sure the sound is toggled to on over here. So make sure it is on color blue. It means that it is active, and pretty much you will have the guidance volume as well. Make sure to turn this on, and you could actually change the voice as well of the sound. And down below, you should be able to filter it out where you could play sound to phone speaker, mute ways during calls. Now, another option is you could just simply go ahead and make sure you have the physical volume into your phone turned up. So from here, we have the sound. So make sure everything here is turned up so you won't have any issue into your phone. So pretty much over here, you should be able to have the sound activated on the Waze app. And guys, also remember that you must not have the do not disturb turned on, because if you have do not disturb turned on, nothing will make a sound. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.